World Champs are coming up. We're making trophies. Oh, these are the Sparkies. So these are kind of like NHRL's superlatives that we give out at the end of the year. So it's like best driver, fight of the year, most valuable builder, stuff like that. And so right now I'm just gluing them all together using some really thin acrylic cement that's so easy to work with.
That sounded sarcastic.
It was sarcastic because it's not easy to work with. It drips everywhere. You gotta get rid of the dust, the acrylic dust. And you can just smack it on your thigh. Twice for good luck. Boom. All right, we got the golden Brets in from our fabricator. Thanks, Rob. They look so good this year, and really all that's left is just getting the polish on them.
We can press this button frame. It'll circle what it's gonna cut.
They're beautiful.